Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to set an alarm in this device. For this, open the clock application. So to create a new alarm, tap on the plus button. So here we can set the alarm and you can customize the alarm settings also. So here you can see the alarm name. If you want to change the alarm name, you can change it here. Under ringtone, you can change the ringtone of this particular alarm. So if you want to enable the vibration when the alarm ringing, then you can enable this one. Otherwise you need to deactivate this one. So this is for the this is for the snooze of this particular alarm. Okay, so here I am going to set the alarm for, now you can see the time is 12:14. So here I am going to set the alarm for 12:15. Then tap on done. Now you can see ring in less than 1 minute. Now just wait for a few seconds, the alarm will ring. Okay, yeah, now you can see the alarm is ringing, and from here you can snooze the alarm, otherwise you can stop the alarm. So simply here I am going to stop this alarm. So simply in this way you can set an alarm in this device. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.